We are discussing about GATE 2002 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronics. Look at the diagram. A silicon diode is carrying a constant current of 1 milliampere. In the figure, a silicon diode is carrying a current of 1 milliampere. When the temperature of the diode is 20 degrees centigrade, the diode voltage is found to be 700 millivolts. If the temperature rises to 40 degrees centigrade, the diode voltage will approximately equal to A. 740 millivolts, B. 660 millivolts, C. 680 millivolts, D. 700 millivolts. Look at this one. This is 1 milliampere current and it is flowing through this diode. So a constant current is flowing through the diode. Whenever a constant current is flowing through the diode, and as temperature changes, the voltage across the diode is going to be changes by, we know the effect of base emitter junction voltage, that is effect of diode voltage with respect to temperature. So it is indicated as dV by dt, that is voltage across the diode under forward bias with respect to temperature, as minus 2.5 millivolts per degree centigrade. What is meant by this one? If temperature increases by 1 degree centigrade, at that time the voltage across the forward bias diode is reduces by 2.5 millivolts. This is the meaning. dV by dt is equal to minus 2.5 millivolts is nothing but, as the temperature increases by 1 degree centigrade, the voltage across the forward bias diode is reduces by 2.5 millivolts. Okay, let V2 is going to be the voltage across forward bias diode. Okay, diode voltage, forward bias diode voltage, forward bias, when temperature T is equal to T2 degree centigrade, and V1 similarly is the diode voltage when T is equal to T1 degree centigrade. So by that time we can write the change in voltage V2 is equal to V1 plus dV by dt into delta T. Delta T is nothing but change in temperature. So V2, okay, now the diode voltage, okay, V1 is given as 700 millivolts plus dV by dt is nothing but minus 2.5 millivolts per degree centigrade into change in temperature 40 minus 20. So 40 minus 20, which is nothing but 20 only. So it will be 700 minus 50. You will get 40 minus 20 is 20 into 2.5 is 50. So it will be around 650 millivolts. So the voltage across the forward bias diode will be 650 millivolts if the temperature increases by 40 degrees centigrade, from 20 to 40 degrees centigrade. The right answer is 660 millivolts since it is more appropriate. Okay. The diode is forward bias. Are you getting this one? Diode is forward bias because the current is flowing from P to N. The diode is forward bias and we are using this equation based on the diode under forward bias only. So the right option for us is 660 millivolts. Thank you.